Hello again. We're gonna spend a little time talking about how to use colored pencil in your Medium Master project. With each of these media that you're trying, what I'd like you to do is think of this as an experiment. Right? You're getting to know them. It might be a review for you, but your goal is to master them, and that can mean making some mistakes along the way, trying different techniques. So have fun with it, experiment. That's one of the advantages of using these little sheets, is it's not a big deal if we kind of take some chances and mess it up. At the same time, we're not going for perfection. We just want to really get ourselves familiar with each medium. Now, colored pencil, you're going to use a lot of different colors. Layering is the key. So if you can, find more than one red, more than one yellow, orange, blue, etc. So get a nice range of colors. And you can see they're similar to the ones that I have in the picture. They're certainly not going to be exactly the same, but I want to get as close as I can. So colored pencil, like almost every medium, it's all about getting the values right. I like to start out with getting the shapes in, getting the values in fairly lightly. You're going to get your darker values by layering colors. So it's not a big deal. Just take your time, get those shapes right. The tracing might not be perfect, so you can use your picture as a reference. And again, even though the value I'm putting in here is going to be one of the darker values, I'm starting out light. This gives me a comfort level. I can see that it's in the right place, and then I can go back and layer something on top to darken it. Now, if I'm going to darken it, I can use the same color, just pushing harder, but if I want to get it really dark, I'm going to layer some other colors on top of that. So you can see I'm just getting things in the right place to start. Getting my basic values in there, not pushing the shadows quite as far as I can. Colored pencil's nice because you can be fairly precise. So take your time with this part. And then you can see once you have something in place and you're happy with the shape, you can go back and darken that in. And you can get it pretty dark if you layer a couple different colors on there. I'm putting a little red on top of the blue. Again, getting the values just about right. And then when I'm happy with it, I really pop those darker values in. So take your time, enjoy the process. Again, we're going for accurate values and shapes. We're going for good technique. We are not striving for perfection. If you want to, you can go on YouTube. You can go on Instagram. You can always find other tutorials, other techniques. I kind of use this, almost a linear hatching technique a lot of the time. Some people will use more of a burnishing technique, where you're going in circles with your pencil and layering that way. A lot of different things can work. So if you need anything, stop by, see me anytime. Happy to help. Take your time and enjoy the process.